We're on our way to a car show and we've already had to stop.
Oh, wow.
And this problem felt familiar. If this doesn't hold, we're not getting there. Last year, Black Betty won Best Prix 1940 Triumph. Today, we're driving her back to the event to hand the trophy over.
Good job, Betty.
First, we just need to get there. We pulled over because something didn't look right. The headlight was starting to shake, and that's never a good sign. This felt like a deja vu. We'd seen this before, and it didn't end well.
Fixable.
But it's from here or from
here? This radiator, look. Ah, we've broken a bit of radiator.
What do you mean?
Look.
Yes.
That comes off there.
Take the zip ties for my cameras, isn't it? You should always put it with us. You're gonna come loose from there. That's not good. You should put it from here to there, maybe.
What? There? That's not.
No, from here somehow to tie it up by this side, to put it on this side, because there it's not doing anything. They're probably gonna come loose.
I've tightened that up now.
We're not fixing this properly here. We just needed to hold long enough to get to the event.
To put it from here and through here, and gonna keep it in place.
What?
If you go to here and to here,
Maybe.
through that and to here, yeah, that would help.
Okay. Yes.
Two guys in a Caterham pulled over to see if we needed help.
No, I think we're fine.
Oh, wow. That does sound.
Sounds very good. Oh, what was that?
Large.
Wow, that was cool.
Let's see if this holds and hope nobody notices at the event.
Yeah, we're 5 minutes away.
Yeah. Tell you how pleased I am to see this. Wow.
Next to the blue one? Next to the blue.
Next to the blue one there. Yeah, go round and then back up.
Okay. Okay. Train.
There's a place spelt.
Now that is a Triumph Fury and only one was ever made. It's actually a prototype. How rare is that?
From red car is repaired.
Black Bet is running rich, and unfortunately, the lady behind her got the full testing menu.
You smoked the lady?
Black Bet has been naughty, and now it's in the magazine.
Minding her own business when the savage beast roared, covered her in smoke, and blew her out of the. There's some drops, and I think the rain is about to start. So we do.
Sorry?
We do. I'm Betty. We're going home. Oh.
Are you on your way? Yes. Thank you so much. It's really lovely of you. Lovely to see you.
Lovely to see you as well.
Someone.
I have a big can between my legs. I'm staying like a sissy girl. I have to stay with my legs like this because we have a cherry can. There's no full gauge in here, so better to be safe than sorry. It's not raining yet.
We made it back, but this isn't fixed, so next time we deal with it properly.